Green bean experiment, test number 1.
Okay.
Take
Subject,
one.
September done.
And green beans. Take one. Now this is funny.
Show up in the mouth.
Let us see. Go ahead, choo-choo, munch, munch, tastes good.
I hope you're zoomed in on her face.
I'm zoomed in on her face.
She's eating it. Doesn't appear to like it.
But she's still eating it. Oh.
What?
She's like, or trying to.
She spit it out?
No, not exactly.
You gagged her?
No.
Oh crap. Come on, eat it, baby. Munch, munch, choo, choo. Tastes good. Very good. Can we watch this video after we're done? I don't think she likes it. But she's gonna have to deal with it. Hey, baby. Got the face good. That tastes good, doesn't it, September? Okay, too blurry. Come on, munch, munch. Go.
45 seconds, son?
1 minute and 15 seconds. But you can go ahead and cook it for 45 seconds right now. I don't think. Do you think she likes it?
I know this will be the last bite.
Okay, I can stop recording now.